Press play, and it looks like one smooth river of video pouring into your TV. It isn't. Here's how a video really reaches your screen, and the 2 tricks that fool everyone. Trick 1. That smooth stream? It's really thousands of tiny downloads. The movie was chopped into little clips, 6 seconds each. Your TV grabs them one at a time, the same web request that loads a website. And that's also why your TV isn't holding the whole movie. It keeps a few seconds of cushion ahead of your eyes, fetching the next clip. Now the second trick, raw video is enormous. 5 seconds would be 1.7 gigabytes. So each clip mostly saves only what changed from the frame before. Pixels that stayed still are almost never sent again, squeezing it about 850 times smaller. The service keeps several copies of every clip, from tiny to sharp 4K. Your TV picks the one that fits your internet. And clips don't fly from a satellite. A copy waits on a computer near your town. Your movie travels as light in glass threads under the ground and the sea, because even light takes time to cross the planet. So the smooth movie is a beautiful illusion. A flip book of tiny pieces flicking past so fast your eyes are fooled.